If you want to charge your Google Pixel 10, then we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. Essentially, we have two ways by using the USB cable. In my case, I have this one, of course. The original one looks a little bit different, but you can use different USB cables as well. And of course, a wireless charger. So let's start with the wireless charger. We have 15 watts wireless charging, magnetic with G2 support. And if you want to charge it, then you just have to simply plug the wireless charger to the power adapter, and then you can just place your Pixel 10 on top of the charger, as you can see over here. So this is how it works. Right, with the release of Google Pixel 10, we also have Pixel Snap accessory, which is G2 charging that you can purchase, for example, on the store of Google, and use that in order to wirelessly charge your Google Pixel 10. However, speaking of the Pixel Snap, I have to mention that only Pixel 10 Pro supports 25 watts of Qi 2.2 charging, whereas Pixel 10 and Pixel 10, just generally speaking, the Pixel 10 can cap at 15 watts Qi 2 charging. Wireless chargers usually also have a USB cable like this or USB-C, so you might need to use something that provides power through the USB cable, such as the power adapter or maybe even your computer. But besides that, of course, we can use USB cables. We have USB-C into USB-A, or cables that are USB-C on both ends, and they both work just fine. So once you connect the USB cable to the power adapter, for example, or anything that provides power through USB, you can just plug it into the phone, and you can easily charge our phone like this. You can use anything that provides power by using the USB cable, but at least, not at least, but ideally you want to use a power adapter or charger. Now, this is the important part as well, the port that we have on the power adapter, because if you have USB type A, like I do over here, then you need to use a cable that I've shown you, so USB A with USB-C. But originally we have a cable that is USB-C on both ends, so it looks more or less like this. So you have USB-C on both ends. In your case, it is probably white actually. So in that case, I cannot really use this cable to plug it into the charger. So you just have to keep in mind that when looking for a charger, you want to find the one that has the proper port. Either USB-C, most likely USB-C if you use the original cable, or USB-A in some other cases. In case you don't have the power adapter, you can try to use anything else that, like I said, that provides power through the USB cord. It can be a computer, it can be a power bank, it might be even your car. However, keep in mind that, of course, for example, if you use a computer, the charging speed might be really slow, and you might want to use your power adapter, or as quickly as possible you want to get it. Now, if you are wondering what type of power adapter you should get, I mean what brand, etc., ideally, of course, you want to use a Google power adapter, but Google Pixel 10 actually has 30 watts charging limit, or, well, this is the speed of charging. So if you have a charger that has at least 30 watts, then it's gonna be perfect. And if you have anything more than that, it's still fine. It won't be much faster, but it's still gonna work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.